Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. In our 3-video series, we will be practicing some pronunciation of the letters Ä, Ö and Ü. This is the second video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can also visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more. Aussprache Ö. We will be doing 20 words. Ö can be in the middle of a word or at the beginning. You have to just listen to the word and repeat. The meanings of these words are not mentioned as we are going to just concentrate on the pronunciation. For this video, there will be no worksheet, transcript, extra worksheet, or podcast. So let's begin. Schön, schön. Blöd, blöd. Böse, böse. Löffel, Löffel. Öffnung, Öffnung. Flöte, Flöte. Löwe, Löwe. Hören, hören. Mögen, mögen. Öl, Öl. Können, können. Likör, Likör. Lösen, lösen. Möbel, Möbel. Stören, stören. Vögel, Vögel. Körper, Körper. Nervös, nervös. Höflich, höflich. Möglich, möglich. If you want to practice some more, you can always visit an online dictionary which also provides pronunciation. Listen to words and repeat them. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!